Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Bybit. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bybit.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Bybit website, where in order to log into your existing account, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner. This will now take you into the login portal where you have three different options of signing in. You can either use your email address, your phone number, or you can scan the QR code using the Bybit application on your smartphone. If you created your account using your Google or your Apple account, you can also click on the respective buttons to log in for a shortcut. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, such as your email address or your phone number and your password, and then click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your account with Bybit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bybit crypto platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.